In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and post manual journals in Xero. Manual journals are perfect for adjustments that don't come from a bill, invoice, or bank transaction, things like accruals, reclassifications, or end-of-month adjustments. We'll walk through creating one from start to finish so your accounts stay accurate and tidy. Start from your Xero dashboard. Open the Quick Create menu by clicking the plus icon at the top of the screen. From that menu, choose Manual Journal. This opens the journal entry page where you'll enter all the details. Begin with the narration field. Think of this as the journal's title or summary. Keep it short but specific, like accrual for utilities March, or reclassify software expense. Clear narration helps you and others recognize the purpose of the entry in reports later. Next, set the date. This determines which reporting period the journal affects. Make sure you choose the correct effective date, often the last day of the month, for period end adjustments. If your organization locks prior periods, you may need to use the first open date that still reflects the intended timing. Now, add a description for the first line. This is the line item detail that complements the narration. Use it to specify what this line represents, such as utilities accrual, or move from office supplies to software. Clear descriptions make audit trails and reviews far easier. Select the account for that line. Choose the correct general ledger account that reflects the nature of the transaction. You can search by name or code. Take a moment here to make sure you're posting to the right expense, revenue, asset, or liability account. Accuracy at this step prevents rework. Set the tax rate for the line. Many manual journals, especially balance sheet reclasses or accruals, are posted with a no tax rate, but your situation may differ. The tax treatment affects VAT, GST returns, and other tax reports, so select the rate that matches your policy or advisor's guidance. Enter the amount as either a debit or a credit. Remember, total debits must equal total credits before you can post. If you need multiple lines, repeat the description. Account, tax rate, and debit or credit amounts until the entry balances. Use positive values and let the debit credit column indicate the direction. When everything looks correct, review the narration, date, accounts, tax settings, and that your debits equal credits. Once you're confident, click Post to commit the journal. Posting updates your ledger immediately, so double check before finalizing. That's it. Your manual journal is created and posted in Xero. With clear narration, accurate accounts, and balanced amounts, your financials will reflect the adjustment exactly as intended. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.